2025 has been a landmark year for medical science, with animal research driving extraordinary breakthroughs that could transform human health. From breakthroughs in Alzheimer's research to microscopic robots clearing infections, let's explore the biggest discoveries in animal research this year. In March, there was a world's first. Chinese surgeons in Xi'an transplanted a genetically edited pig kidney into a 69-year-old woman with end-stage kidney disease. The kidney began producing urine immediately, and its function improved. This demonstrated that cross-species organ transplantation could become a realistic solution to the global organ shortage crisis. New studies suggest aspirin can interfere with cancer cell migration, a critical stage in metastasis. Mice models showed significantly reduced spreading in certain tumour types. If confirmed in humans, a cheap, widely available drug could become part of future cancer prevention strategies. In May, researchers at the Max Planck Institute at the University of College London made a stunning discovery. Combining two cancer drugs, ripamycin and trametinib, extended mice lifespans by approximately 30%. The mice experienced reduced chronic inflammation, delayed cancer onset, and improved health in old age. While we're far away from clinical trials, the work suggests that aging itself might be treatable. A major Alzheimer's risk gene, APOE4, has long puzzled scientists. It was announced in May that mouse studies revealed how it disrupts brain lipid metabolism and triggers inflammation, decades before symptoms appear. Understanding this mechanism could guide development of early intervention therapies for those most at risk. Moving into June, and it was reported that engineers at the University of China in Hong Kong developed microscopic robotic swarms that navigate the nasal cavity to clear bacterial infection. Initial experiments in animal models showed that they could break up mucus, destroy bacteria, and flow safely out of the body. They could be in clinical use for treating infections in 5 to 10 years. Also in June, the axolotl, a salamander famous for growing limbs, helped researchers decode the molecular signal behind regeneration. Mapping these pathways moves us closer to therapies that could stimulate tissue repair in humans. In August, years of animal immune system research contributed to the first licensed immunotherapy for HPV. Unlike vaccines, this treatment targets existing infections. It's a new weapon against the viral disease, and a triumph of preclinical research in mice. In September, scientists uncovered a biological clock inside our brains that tracks the distance travelled. Using mouse studies, researchers at the University of St Andrews identified a grid of cells that fire in regular patterns with each step, creating a biological odometer that helps us judge distance. As well as revealing something fundamental about how our brains allow us to navigate, the scientists also say the findings could help diagnose Alzheimer's disease. Also in September, it was announced that scientists produced the first full map of decision-making pathways in the brain. Using advanced neural imaging of a mouse brain, researchers at the Salisbury Wellcome Centre were able to trace how sensory information becomes choice and action. It means we can start to understand the complex brain-wide sequence of events behind countless decisions made all day, every day. As we entered October, reports broke that scientists at the Rosalind Institute in Glasgow had created gene-edited pigs resistant to classical swine fever, a devastating viral disease. By targeting a specific protein called DNA JC14, these pigs remained healthy after exposure. This breakthrough could revolutionise livestock health worldwide, reducing economic losses, preventing mass culling, and dramatically improving animal welfare in farming. And finally, in December this year, it was announced that a new home cage monitoring system is improving drug safety testing by tracking rodents continuously in their natural environments. The project, supported by NC3R's funding, uses infrared video and RFID telemetry to spot early behavioural changes that standard tests often miss. It improves welfare, reduces stress, and helps cut animal use by identifying risky drugs sooner. To learn more about some of the big animal research stories this year, read the article linked in the description below, and be sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with the latest breakthroughs in animal research.